How to open Bank of America account online. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can open up our Bank of America's bank account online, so make sure to stick with me till the end. So first, go to bankofamerica.com. Make sure that you've already decided whether you want to create a checkings account or savings account. Depending upon what you want to do, in this case I will select savings and CD account. Now right here you will see the logo that says open a savings account, so click on that particular option on the right hand side of the screen. There are different type of details that you need to open up a savings account. You will need a social security number, your state ID and your proof of address in order to be able to open up your account. So once you're here, you can select I have an offer code. If you are a Bank of America online customer, you can select that, but we aren't, so we will just go ahead and select go to application directly. And after you do this, what you want to do from here is you will be able to go ahead and then fill out a form according to the legal details. So the form that you fill must have the information that are on your documents. If a document that you upload later does not match the information here, then you will not be able to obviously finish the verification process. So make sure to select your first name, your last name, your date of birth, everything according to a document that you have. Then just click on the continue, upload your documents if they ask you to by clicking a picture of it, and so on. After you follow the steps, comprehensive steps, you will definitely be able to finish creating your Bank of America account. This way you can open up Bank of America account online. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.